So see, this is the same old 12-week ERP, and here I I created a certain page only for you as my day, and this is where the magic happened. This is where I added all the features you wanted. So you can come here and see there is a quick view, or you can go through like exactly say act like a button, no navigation, sorry. And then there is weekly view where you can it's a toggle view, so you can maybe easily toggle it. You can see the what are the habit percentage and the task in progress, and also there's the timeline of where it started and where it gonna end. And then there is a habit and task view where you can see both tasks and habits. Okay, this is the main page. This is the page you should open here. Like when you go here, you see this is where you can pin, you can pin that page, or just, yeah, you can do that everything here. You can move that page, or you can add that to favorite where it will show up in your favorite. Okay, in here. And yeah, that's how you can access this and make use of this certain page animation.